CIMB-Principal Asset Management Bhd is confident of achieving 30 billion ringgit assets under management by year-end, up from 22.1 billion ringgit in 2009, said its Chief Executive Officer, J Campbell Tupling. He said the company was positive about achieving the target due to the improved market sentiment as well as the increased demand from the institutional and retail investors. Speaking to reporters at the launch of CIMB-Principal Australian Equity Fund today, the new fund would fit into the Schroder Australian Equity Fund, an Australian domicile fund that strive to outperform the S&P/ASX 200 accumulation index over the medium to long term.
It shows that there are opportunities in that Australian market to create a portfolio composition and do your stock picking. That can outperform the benchmark, and Schroders has proven they can do that on a long-term basis.
CIMB Principal Chief Investment Officer Raymond Tang added the fund would invest at least 95% of its net asset value (NAV) in the Australian Equity Fund, with a focus on companies with sustainable competitive advantage in the long term. The company expects the fund to generate an annual return of between 10% to 50%, adding that up to a maximum 5% of NAV would also be maintained in liquid assets. CIMB-Principal Australian Equity Fund, the company's third fund launch this year, has an approved fund size of 600 million units with an initial offer price of 25 cents per unit. The minimum initial investment is 1,000 ringgit.